discuss in concern with a substitution reaction in octahedral complexes without breaking up the metal ligand bond and along with mechanism of that reaction. In this video, we discuss here substitution reaction in square planar complexes. Then here substituted at a square planar metal complexes, in which of that metal or also non-metals shows that is the square planar complexes, and which ligands are present, then that metal or non-metal shows that is the square planar complexes. Here you see that red color shown here in manganese, nickel, copper, then rhodium, palladium, silver, iridium, platinum, gold, and also here that is the chlorine, bromine, iodine, and also that is the xenon. These elements in the periodic table commonly shows that is the S square planar complexes. And also here green color, that is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, then that is barium, here iron, cobalt, ruthenium, chromium, zinc, cadmium, mercury, and the tin. These elements shows square planar complexes geometry for a particular, that is the ligands. Maybe here that is the is dithionines or phthalocyanins are the ligands. Then these elements show the square planar geometry. Here you see particularly that is square planar transition metal complexes are shown by nickel in a +2 oxidation state here. Then that is the D8 configuration. Then rhodium in +1 oxidation state. Then palladium in +2 oxidation state, iridium in first oxidation state, platinum in +2, and gold in +3 oxidation state. Means particularly here mainly that is the D8 configuration, then that shows that is the square planar complexes. Then here you see in concern nickel, palladium, and the platinum always shows that is a square planar complexes with any that is the ligand, maybe strong field or the weak field. But in concern the nickel, if it is a weak field ligand like the chloride, then that shows the tetrahedral geometry. Then intermediate field ligands like that is the water or the amine, then nickel shows the octahedral geometry. And if that is a strong field ligand like the cyanide, then that shows a square planar geometry. Means depending upon which is a ligand, then that nickel shows a different geometrical complexes. But platinum, if you consider, then always that shows a square planar complexes with any ligand, and therefore most of the substitution reaction in a square planar complexes are studied by using platinum as a central metal ion. Then what is the stereochemistry of substitution reaction in square planar complexes? Substitution reaction at square planar complexes are stereospecific. Here you see what is meant by stereospecific. A stereospecific means original geometry of the complex is a preserved. What is meant by that original geometry means suppose to be substrate complex is a cis, then you will get the product is also cis. If the substituted complex is a trans, then here the product will be also trans, and therefore it is that substitution reaction in square planar complexes are always it is a stereospecific. Then substitution reaction takes place with the formation of the trigonal bipyramidal structure as an intermediate. Means here you see that in a substitution reaction takes place in square planar complexes, always it is a stereospecific. Why? Because here that transition state form is always that is the coordination number is 5 and geometry is a trigonal bipyramid. Here you see I shown here diagrammatically. Here that is the trans reactant, that is trans complex is here. X is the leaving group and Y is the incoming nucleophile. That Y incoming nucleophile attack on the central metal ion. Then the intermediate is formed. that intermediate having a 5 coordination number, because that incoming nucleophile forms a bond with a central metal ion and the coordination number it changes from 4 to the 5. And after that, here that X, this is the X ligand, leaves from the transition state or intermediate, and you will get a that is substituted product. Then you see here that substrate complex means reactant is also trans, and here product form is also trans, and therefore substitution reaction in square planar complex is always stereospecific in nature. My friend, यहाँ पे जो stereochemistry है इन सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन इन स्क्वायर प्लानर कॉम्प्लेक्स में, ये स्टेरियोस्पेसिफिक है. स्टेरियोस्पेसिफिक इसका मतलब है आपने जो सबस्ट्रेट कॉम्प्लेक्स रिएक्टेंट लिया है वो ट्रांस रहेगा तो आपको प्रोडक्ट भी ट्रांस मिलेगा. इफ सब्स्टिट्यूटेड कॉम्प्लेक्स सिस है तो प्रोडक्ट भी आपको सिस मिलेगा. क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है? क्योंकि जो ट्रांजिशन स्टेट ये रिएक्शन में सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन स्क्वायर प्लानर कॉम्प्लेक्स में जो ट्रांजिशन स्टेट मिल रहा है वो है ट्राइगोनल बाइपिरामिडल ज्योमेट्री, यानी उसका कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर रहता है 5. तो वो जो प्रोडक्ट मिलने वाला है वो जैसा रिएक्टेंट होगा वैसा ही प्रोडक्ट मिल जाएगा, खाली उसमें एक लिगैंड रिप्लेस होके आपको मिल जाएगा. ठीक है. एंड देयरफॉर हियर द ज्योमेट्री ऑफ द कॉम्प्लेक्स इज रिमेन्स सेम. ट्रांस रहेगा तो ट्रांस प्रोडक्ट मिल गया, सिस रिएक्टेंट रहेगा तो सिस मिल जाएगा. Then I here taken one example. Here you see ammonia are that is a trans to each other. These ligands, ammonia ligands are trans to each other, and here that is a triamine platinum chloro complex is taken, and incoming nucleophile is a bromine. That bromide attack on the platinum, then you will get, it is a slow step reaction, you will get that is a 5 coordinate intermediate, and you see that 5 coordinate intermediate have a trigonal bipyramidal geometry. Here ammonia, bromine and the chloride. Here incoming nucleophile is a bromide, and here that chloride that is present in the that is a one plane, and that two amine groups are present, one above the plane and one below the plane, and therefore here you see this is the trigonal bipyramidal intermediate, and that trigonal bipyramidal intermediate then decompose. Here that chlorine will be that is a loose from this place, and you will get the substituted that is the bromide complex, and you see in place of the chloride here bromide is present, and therefore here that is a trans product. You will here you will get also that is the trans one. Yes, this is the one of the example. Thank you for watching this video. Question will be asked in your university examination. Write the stereochemistry of the substitution reaction in square planar complexes. If you have any doubts then or any query, you drop the message in message drop box and press the bell icon button. Thank you very much.